Okay. Stephen, Aberdeen, the first game of the season, what do you make of that?
Should be an exciting game. Hopefully be a big crowd here, the Newfound Derby, so everybody will be excited, looking forward to it.
It's always a great atmosphere here when Aberdeen play.
Yeah, you always get some good matches here, so hopefully fans will get a good one.
What are you hoping United will achieve this season?
Oh, I don't know about setting any targets just now. I think all the boys will just be looking forward to getting back to pre-season and want everybody getting a good pre-season under the belt, and just take each game as it comes and take it from there.
Things are obviously progressing though, aren't they?
Yeah, I think obviously the last 5 games was disappointing that we never picked up any victories, but we're definitely improving, and that's the main thing. We keep improving.
And the manager's bringing new players like Willo Flood as
well. Definitely good signings, big Darren Dodds, and the goalkeeper was in towards the end of last season. He looks promising as well, so it's looking good.
So you're sort of cautiously optimistic then?
No, well, you've obviously got to be optimistic going into a new season, and I think all the players are, like I said, looking forward to it, so it's going to be exciting, yeah.